Good evening, class.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you this evening?
We're fine, teacher.
Good to hear. So, is there any absent in this evening class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. So, are you ready to learn a new lesson this evening?
Yes, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. So, but before that, let's have first our activity. Okay, so I have here different types of movies or popular movies. Okay, are you already watched
Yes,
this
teacher.
kind of movies?
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
so what are those kinds of movies that you see in our TV screen? Okay, Herbie.
I think that movie's teacher is fictional.
Okay, fictional. Okay, so Arihan, what are those movies?
Optimum.
Okay, Aiko.
Power.
Fantasy.
Fantasy.
Okay, fantasy. You have an idea. Okay, what are their common attributes? Okay, what are their common attributes? Shini.
They are concert. They are all imaginations.
Okay, they are all imagination. Okay, so based on these movies, do you have any idea what is our topic in this evening? Okay, Charmin.
I think, teacher, topic this evening is all about fiction.
Okay, fiction. Let's give Charmin 5 claps. Okay, so but before that, let us have our learning outcomes in this evening. So at the end of the lesson, you are expected to kindly
Define fiction. Enumerate all types of general fiction. Appreciate the importance of fiction in our daily lives.
So, when you hear the word fiction, class, do you have any idea what it is? Okay? Do you have any idea what is fiction? Okay, Charmin, do you have an idea?
I think addiction are pictures about the imagination.
Okay, you have an idea. You have small. Okay, class. Fiction refers to a type of literature that created from imagination and typically has a narrative. It describes imaginary events and people. Usually, this comes in the form of books and stories. So, just let's move on to our motivation. Then our first activity. So these movies are just made of imagination. So is there any man that can fly?
No, none, sir.
Okay, none.
No.
And also, is there any human that can produce a web?
No.
Okay, no. It is just fiction. It is not imagination to give enjoyment to the readers or the one who watch the movies. So there are 3 types of fiction, class. First is the short story, novella, and novel. So first, let us define what is a short story. So a short story, class, it is a fictional narrative that is typically shorter than a novel. It focuses on a single event or a limited number of events, and it usually has a small cast or characters. So, do you have any short story that you have already read? Any short story? Okay. What are those short stories that you have already read? Okay, Charmin.
The Lion and the Mouse.
Okay, The Lion and the Mouse. Another example of short story. Fictional.
Yes, teacher.
It is a fictional. Is it?
Yes.
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 Because there is no mouse that will help to the lion. Okay. And also a short story class. It has a small cast of characters and limited number of events, and also single event. Okay, it is shorter than a novel. So the second example of fiction, it is a novella. It's a work of fiction that falls somewhere between a short story and a novel. It's longer than a short story, typically ranging from 17,000 to 40,000 words, but shorter than a novel, which usually exceeds 40,000 words. So, novella class, it is shorter than a novel, but it is longer than a short story. And the last type of fiction class is a novel. It's a work of fiction that contains over 50,000 words or 120 pages. Novels are even more complex than novellas, and they usually have more than one plot, storyline, and many will develop characters. Okay. So, since we have done discussed the three types of fiction, let us now know the types of genres that we usually read in fictional books or novellas. So, first genre is fantasy. Second is the science fiction. Third is the mystery fiction, and the fourth is the realistic fiction. So, but before that, let us define what is a fantasy genre. So, it includes implausible, supernatural, and magical elements. So, just like the story of Harry Potter or the movie of Harry Potter, Superman, and Batman. Okay. So those are an example of fictional movie that is fantasy or supernatural. Okay, so next is a realistic fiction. It is a story that has believable events and characteristics that could actually happen in a real life. Although it can take place in a real setting, it is not based on history or science. Next is the science fiction. It features technology and natural or technological scenarios that are currently possible or may realistically become possible in the future. And last genre, which is the mystery fiction. In a mystery fiction, story based on a mysterious event or crime, the story provides clues throughout, but the mystery isn't typically solved until the end of the story. So, those are an example of genres. Okay. So, did you understand our lesson in this evening class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, do you have any questions and clarifications?
None, teacher.
Okay. So, since you don't have any questions and clarifications, I have a question for you. Okay. Okay, very good. Let's give also Angel 2 claps. Okay. And what are those types of genres that we also discussed this evening? Okay, so just remain. Just remain. What are those types of genres that we discussed?
Science fiction.
Okay.
Fantasy,
Science fiction.
realistic fiction, science fiction,
Okay, very good. Let's give just remain 1 clap. Okay. So, class. Why do we need to appreciate the importance of fiction, especially in our daily lives? Okay, Charmaine.
The importance of fiction in our daily lives is to give them enjoyment class as a readers.
Okay, very good. Let's give Charmaine a wow clap. Wow. Okay, so excuse me po. Okay, so since you understand our topic in this evening, okay, so are you ready for our next activity?
Yes,
Sure. Okay, are you ready for our next activity? Just remain. Okay, very good. So, in our second activity, I will going to group you into 2. Okay? I want you to make a graphic organizers. Okay? I want you to make a graphic organizer. The group 1 will give the types of fiction, and the group 2 will give any examples, any types of genres that you usually encountered in a novella or any novels or movies that you watch or read. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So, group 1. Where's the group 1?
Yes, sir. Ninyo.
Okay, group 2. Okay. Graphic organizer. Name the graphic organizers. Okay, so again, the group 2 will make a graphic organizer that Okay, so each group should select a representative to report. Hooray! Okay, let's go.
So, good evening everyone. We are the group 2. So, I group 1. So, types of fictions are short story, novel, and novella. That's all.
Okay. Next is group 1. Okay, so let's check the work of group 1. So, the types of fiction are
Short
short
story.
story.
King.
Correct.
Correct.
Novel.
Yes.
Correct. And a novella. Correct. So, group 1 gets perfect score. Okay, so how about the group 2? Okay, so representative of group 2.
Good evening, everyone. So we are in group 1, so this is our work of group 1. Genre. So the part of genre is fantasy, realistic fiction, historic fiction, science fiction, and that's all. And thank you and
Okay. Yes, hurry up. Take your seats. Okay, so let's check the work of group 2. If it's really correct or not. Okay, so the genres that they put in our